I'm Dan Ackerman, and we are here taking a look at the latest version of HP's Envy 14. Now, if you look at this Envy 14, you may say it looks a heck of a lot like the last Envy 14, or pretty much all the Envy laptops that we've reviewed, and from the outside, it actually is pretty much exactly the same. That said, that's not necessarily a bad thing on the Windows side. This is about as close as you're going to get to kind of that hefty metallic MacBook Pro look and feel, and it's really one of our favorite high-end PCs right now. On the inside, the differences are this latest version of the Envy 14 has one of Intel's second generation Core i series processor. This one has a Core i5 in this case. It also has USB 3, and it adds some new touchpad gestures. They've taken this large image pad style touchpad at the very front here, and even though it looks the same, they've tried to upgrade the 2, 3, and 4 finger gestures to work a little bit more like, dare I say it, a MacBook. There definitely are some improvements here. However, it's not quite the same as you do get with a MacBook. The 2 finger scrolling, not quite as smooth. There's a new handy 4 finger gesture for bringing up and hiding all your different windows that you're working with. That's kind of very similar to what a 4 finger gesture pre-line used to do on a MacBook. It's still not quite as smooth and seamless as that. Still, you get most of the things that you're looking for in a higher-end mid-sized laptop. You've got both HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. Of course, that USB 3.0 and some basic AMD graphics. So you can do some, mid-level gaming on here. Even better, the Envy 14 starts at $999, which is the same as the 13-inch MacBook used to start at. Now you'd have to either get a $999 MacBook Air, the 11-inch model, or trade up to about $1,200 for a 13-inch MacBook Pro, or even more for a 13-inch MacBook Air. So if you're looking for something that's built like a tank, solid metal, and really emulates kind of that MacBook Pro look and feel on the Windows side, you're not going to do better than the HP Envy line, and this Envy 14 definitely hits the sweet spot, coming in at $999. I'm Dan Ackerman, and that is the HP Envy 14.